These benefits are often overlooked, yet they remain essential for both short-term recovery and lifelong health. One major way breastfeeding benefits mothers is by stabilizing hormones after childbirth. During pregnancy, hormone levels fluctuate dramatically, and this can sometimes lead to imbalances that increase the risk of certain diseases. Breastfeeding naturally regulates these hormones, lowering the chances of developing reproductive cancers such as breast, ovarian, and uterine cancer. By balancing estrogen and progesterone, it also prevents hormonal swings that might otherwise cause long-term health problems. Breastfeeding also reduces inflammation in the body. Inflammation is one of the key contributors to chronic illnesses such as heart disease, diabetes, arthritis, and even cancer. The process of breastfeeding lowers stress hormones like cortisol, while increasing hormones such as oxytocin, which reduce inflammation and promote healing. This natural balance keeps mothers healthier, both physically and emotionally.